Hello guys, I'm with another video. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the screen of Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. Model number is STKL22. Okay, as I want to make this video short, I have already done some of the things before doing the video, so I will explain you. Sorry about the noise because the station is just in front of our shop. Okay, right, you can see this is the Huawei Y9 Prime. So this screen, it came like this, fully smashed, and there's no back is all good, there's no crack anything. So we will learn, I will show you, I will demonstrate you how to replace the screen. First thing, we have to put some heat here, like 40-50 Celsius, not that much, and then put something like a razor blade like this and separate the back glass from this, and take it all around like this, all around carefully. Be careful in this area, there is a cable, so don't go that much of in the end, otherwise you will damage the fingerprint sensor cable. So, and then you take it out like this, and also be careful, this cable, this is the antenna, this antenna cable can come out, and if you put something very far at the end, it can damage this cable. Okay, now what you have to do, so after taking out, sorry, this one is with this one will be here like this, because it has the screws, it's got all these screws in it. So what you do now, you remove all these screws. I have already removed here, and then there's a small lever here, you need to snap it and take it out. Okay, and then this is the fingerprint. First of all, remove the battery connector, and then remove the fingerprint and keep this one aside. Okay, and then now what we have to do, you don't need to remove this part you can stay like this. Okay, there are 3, 1 2 3, I think this one is 1. You drag from here like this, and then drag from here, number 2, and then drag from here, and it will come out like this. Okay, and you keep the battery like this, and then this is the display cable, you detach from here and take it like this, because there is adhesive paper, I cut it like this, so it's easy. And then what you do, you put heat here, you apply the heat and put a razor blade like this, nicely separate the all around, you separate the screen like this, and you can take it out. So we have taken this screen out. Be careful here, there is a small rubber thing, you should not remove this one, otherwise it will make a hole here. This is the place where your ear speaker works. When you call someone, this is the place you can hear. Okay, and then give a good cleaning, make sure there is no debris underneath, otherwise they will touch the screen and make a white dot. And this is the new screen coming, this is the new screen, this is the original Huawei screen. You can see this one is a little bit coming out like this, so that means you need to install this side first, and you can see there is some kind of a sensor here. Don't apply the glue here, around this sensor. Okay, and I think the light sensor is here, somewhere here, so you can apply the glue all around here on the top, doesn't matter. Okay, now I'm gonna install the screen. So like I said before, it's better and it's very nice if you use the glue not on the frame but on the screen. So I'm going to install the glue, so I keep that small thing knob, I take it out like this, and I take the glue like this, and I apply the glue like this. So apply glue like this up to here, and then leave that space and go around, go all around like this. Okay, now we apply the glue, and then we put the cable like this, and the first thing we do is to put this part in the charger port side. Keep it nicely aligned like this, and drag the cable. Keep this one like this, so it nicely hold, and we keep it on the board on this way, and that time also is pressing, and now it's nicely aligned and it's holding the screen. So we connect the cable, you need to do this very fast because the glue is drying, and keep your finger and align this one. Okay, it's all done. Now you check the battery. If you want cut, you can remove these three if you want, because you don't need them. So what we do, we cut it like this, remove these unnecessary stuff, you don't need them. Next time you can drag it from here, and you align the battery also. Before keeping, you align the battery and then leave it, and the previous glue will hold the battery nicely. And then yeah, it's all done. Now what we have to do, take the back, check the back glass. Actually it's not a glass, it's kind of a plastic thing. And attach it, and attach the battery. Carefully align this one. And put all the screws back. Come on. Okay, it's all good. Now what we do, we put the adhesive all around this. Adhesive, we put the glue. Put glue, we put glue. Always a little bit away from the corner. Okay, Done. Little bit over here too, so it will nicely hold. Put this one aside, put this one here, and then you need to position it right like this. Now all good. We have installed the back as we did earlier. We can put some rubber bands like this. Put some rubber band here, rubber band here, because when the glue is soft it can always come out. Don't press from the four corners, that can damage the LCD. Now we will turn it on and see how it goes. Yeah, it's turning on, it's working fine. So this is how we install the screen of Huawei Y9 Prime 2019. This is a very popular phone and really good. All the functionalities are good, cheaper price, and becoming very popular among the community now. As a technician, actually I recommend anyone to buy this phone. This is a really amazing phone. Good value for money, very good value for money. Very good, better display. So you can see now we have to hold it. See, perfectly working. So I put some more rubber bands in order to hold it this way before the glue dries out. Okay, before the, yeah, now you can see it's seamless. Nobody can see somebody has installed a screen. You can see even these corners, no extra glue showing. You can see perfect. So use my method, apply the glue on the screen, around the screen. If your manufacturer is not good, the glue can go in between the display and the touch. In that case, only one thing, tell your supplier, try to return the screen. If they are not returning, change your supplier. Okay, you can always do that. See, everything working fine. Thank you for watching this video. I think this is the most smallest video I have ever made. Thank you so much. You guys have a I think this will be useful for everybody. Thank you. Bye.